This is the iPhone 7 smart battery case unboxing. I just picked up this case a couple days back from Amazon. Came in at $78 before taxes. It was about $21 off the original price from 2016 when the iPhone 7 came out. You can see the date that is from 2016. Anyways, let's go and open up this box. Alright, easy enough. Put that there. Okay, the black case. And my iPhone 7 is black. Little instructions right here. Tell you how to put it on. iPhone 7 smart battery case. Yeah, I get some more instructions, information in terms of handling. Okay. And warranty information, blah, blah, blah. Feel that material. Feels kind of nice. So it looks like you just bend this back and slide the phone in. You say, why am I doing this now? Well, I just picked up a used iPhone 7 from Visible Wireless. Every iPhone I've bought since about 2012 has been used. I think I might have bought one new one just to try it out with Sprint at some point beforehand. Didn't really care for the network. And then once I finally got back into iPhones, I decided to buy them used. I felt that they were, good enough. It was superior to Android, and the processor is still superior to Android, but it's a big gap in terms of smoothness, so I was cool with the older one, and they got long-term updates. But let's go ahead and put the phone into this case and see what happens. Alright, bring it down like that. Boom. Smart battery case. Unlock iPhone to use accessories. Let's see if it still shows up. Alright, let me unlock this. Right here with the widget, phone and smart battery case, and it pops on the screen when I pull out the charger. So yeah, there we go. That's what it is. It's working. It's supplying power to the phone, and I can't wait until I'm able to test out the screen time in terms of video watch, just using the phone. But yeah, this is the unboxing. iPhone 7 smart battery case. Iceberg Jim out. Deuces.